In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload subscribers to your email list to Kit. We're going to walk through how to bulk import your subscribers using a CSV file, which is the fastest way to move a large group of contacts into Kit all at once. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your file, upload it, and keep everything organized so your email marketing stays clean and effective. First, inside your Kit dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Subscribers. This is where all of your email contacts will live and where you'll handle any imports, changes, or organization for your list. Once you're on the subscribers page, look for the button that says Add Subscribers. Click that. This is going to open up the different ways you can add people to your list. And for this tutorial, we're focusing on the bulk upload option. In the menu that appears, select Import a CSV. A CSV file is basically a simple spreadsheet that tools like Kit can easily read. Before you upload it, make sure your file is ready. At a minimum, it needs to have a column labeled Email, with one email address per row. If your file doesn't have that email column, the import will fail or your contacts won't be mapped correctly, so it's worth double-checking this before you proceed. Once your CSV is selected and uploaded, Kit will show you a screen where you can map your fields. This means you're telling Kit which column in your file corresponds to which field in your subscriber profile. For example, you'll match your email column in the CSV to the email address field in Kit. If you have other columns like first name or last name, you can match those to the appropriate fields as well. Taking a moment to map these correctly will save you time later when you're segmenting or personalizing your emails. Next, you'll have the option to assign a tag to these contacts. Tags are labels that help you organize and group subscribers. For example, you might use something like Imported Feb 2024 or a tag that describes where this list came from. This makes it much easier to filter, segment, and send targeted campaigns later on. When everything looks good, click Start Import. Kit will begin processing your file in the background. After it's done, your subscribers will appear in your list with the tag you assigned, ready to receive your campaigns.